on an empty tank.
Hey everyone, Alex and Will here. We are on our way to Vienna right now. We are super excited because we haven't been here together before. We're staying at this like cool little hotel near Prater Park, so today we're looking forward to exploring that area.
Yeah, I went here 6 years ago in 2015, but now with a real job, a little bit of money, it should be a completely different experience. Hoping for a good time and see some different sights. Vienna is a super beautiful city with lots of monuments, UNESCO World Heritage sites, etc. So we're really looking forward to it.
Yep, see y'all there.
So, place to park at our hotel is 22 euros a day. So we're parking in a park and ride. What's the name of the park and ride, Alex?
Leopoldau?
Leopoldau. So, and this is only like 3 or 4 euro a day. So I think it'll be a little bit cheaper for us. Now that we're going to be parked here about 3 to 4 days.
We also, it might just be free to park here.
I'm not really sure.
Like there's no meter.
There's no meters, but we thought we had to pay inside to get a ticket, but nobody has a ticket on their car, so it's probably free. Let's go with free.
I'll let you know. Yeah. The spot's good though because it's right near the underground, so we can take the metro right to our hotel. Works out.
City center, so
Yeah.
okay. I'll just get to the.
Yep. That's so dumb. Hello, welcome to our hotel room. We just checked in at this place called Zoku. Come in. And the guy upstairs was super nice and he told us that this is only the 10th day that they've ever been open. So we're probably the first people to stay in this room. Like you could assume. They've only been open 10 days. So upstairs they have like a whole cafe, check-in area. They have a bar which overlooks the Prater Park. And we're definitely gonna go there for drinks after because it looks awesome. So this is our loft room with a balcony. You walk in, bathroom, all this storage space. We've got a kitchenette. Ooh, more storage space. This little area, a little stove top and a dishwasher, you said? Oh, that's the fridge.
Yeah, it's got a dishwasher.
Nice. And then, so this place is really cute because they host a lot of, or they want to host a lot of like co-working people. And so they have like all these little tools at the table and they have like a roll of paper so you could brainstorm. I think that's so fun.
Show the balcony.
Here's the balcony. We don't have a view of the park, but I think it'll be better. It'll be quiet. Go out there. You could make friends with people next to you.
Cool.
So that's fun. And we're gonna figure out how to get into the bed together. So you think you just pull it out.
So it's got these rails next to the TV, and then it's got like a gate to the bed in the loft area.
Oh, it says.
But we don't really know how to do it yet.
It
So.
says push, pull, click.
Push.
Okay.
Cool. Look at these
Ooh.
expando stairs.
Okay.
Now open up the gate.
Okay. Oh.
Cool. Here's our bed. It's got a little shelf.
Oh.
Cool.
That's cute.
Lights above the bed with USB plugs.
Wait.
And here's a look down from the top. Not too bad. You got a little couch, TV, table, everything you need.
Yeah. Sweet. Good find.
Woo! I think it was only 72 euro a night to stay here, so honestly pretty affordable for right in downtown Vienna. Train stop was only 5 minutes to the Messy turn, which was, you know, really convenient. It takes you all over the city. We looked into getting 2 72-hour passes, but it was something like €34. We're not really sure how much we're going to use it yet. To be determined. We'll see. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of public transportation available right near here as well. So cool. Let's check out the rest of the hotel in a minute.
Yeah. It's gonna be really windy. I don't know how the audio is gonna be.
True. Hey guys, we're on the top floor of the Zoku Hotel here in Vienna. We are right next to the Prater amusement park. It's pretty cool because it's one of the oldest amusement parks in the world. They have the oldest running Ferris wheel in the world, so we're gonna take a ride on that soon. But yeah, look at this balcony, guys. Like, it's so cool. We got a beautiful view of downtown Vienna on top of the Prater amusement park, and I mean, nothing better than getting a cold Stiegel beer while doing this as well. So yeah, take a look.
Right there. You see that? Slingshot at him.
Slingshot game. Oh god, that looks terrifying.
Hey y'all. We just got to Prater amusement park after having a little view from our hotel, so we're gonna walk around and try to find some street food.
Yeah, here.
I'm hungry.
Let's take a look at the patio that we were just up at exploring. Here's our hotel. That's the patio up there on the left. Yeah, we have a view of all of this roller coaster, all these rides, so definitely a great place for kids and the young at heart. Woo!